Welcome to a brand new series of using this Pokemon Gen 1 filter, and we're going to try and beat Brock's fully evolved team with no legendaries. And once we think we've beat it, we're going to move on to Misty's fully evolved team, and then so on. Okay, let's get into it. Poliwell's got to be the only option there. I think Water's got to be the route here because Grass gets wrecked by Ninetales. No ideal options for option 2 either. Electabuzz is pointless, the rest of them just not really strong enough. We're going to have to go Machoke. Exeggutor does some good damage to the rest of his team, but again gets wrecked by Ninetales, so I think we'll go Seadra. That's a great pick. And Poliwrath is even better, and the other two options are not great at all, so Poliwrath it is. I think we probably need 4 big hitters to move on to the next round, so let me know in the comments if you think at the end, if we've done it. I think Nidoqueen's weak against fighting and rock, isn't it? So we're going to have to go Sandslash. Not the right typing, but at least no damage, and we finish with a Magikarp, just splashing around. Let me know in the comments if you think we've won, and if not, we'll run it back for a day 2.